Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we're just going to be talking about some of the best day trading platforms and applications that traders are using right now. Okay, so we're just going to be covering MT4, MT5, TradingView, and cTrader in this particular video. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform matches your trading style. Okay, so let us begin with MetaTrader 4. Now, this is one of the most recognized trading platforms in the world. All right, day traders love it for its simplicity, fast execution, and easy customization. Right, MT4 actually allows you, to use custom indicators. A lot of custom indicators can be used on this platform. You can also make use of your, expert advisors, and it has massive online community, right? And you know community sharing tools, and templates. Okay, so MT4 is lightweight, it works on almost any device, and it continues to be the first choice for many traders starting out or sticking to what works. Okay, now let us move on to MT5 or MetaTrader 5. Right, MT5 is actually the updated version of MT4, and it comes with a number of enhancements. It offers more charting time frames, right? So you can see, in case if you've not seen this before, well, I guess you're seeing it now. You can see that MT5 actually has 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 20 minutes, 2 hours, 3 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours. Yeah, I know that you are already conversant with 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour daily, weekly, and monthly, right? But you can see that there are actually additional time frames on MT5. Okay, MT5 also offers more charting time frame. In addition to the time frames, yeah, it offers more advanced order types. You can see that on MT5 there are additional pending orders. We have the buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. They are available on MT4. But in addition to those, we have buy stop limit and buy and sell stop limit. If we go to MT4, when you go to MT4, you will see that on MT4, what we have as the pending orders are just buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. But you will see that on MT5, it goes further to add buy stop limit and sell stop limit. Well, the purpose of this video is not to start giving details of how each pending order functions. Okay, but basically just know that the market execution is for executing your trade instantly. Then the pending orders, buy limit is you are setting your order, pending order below current price. Sell limit, you are setting it above current price, expecting the price to get there and reverse. Okay, why buy stop limit, you are setting it above current price, expecting a breakout and the continuation in the direction of the breakout. Sell stop is for setting it below current price, expecting a breakout to the downside and a continuation in the direction of the breakout. Then buy stop limit is a situation whereby it's more like a combination of a buy stop and buy limit, right? So you're expecting price to go up, trigger a particular price level, come down, trigger a particular limit, and go back up, right? Then the sell stop limit is a situation whereby you're expecting price to go down, trigger a particular sell stop level, go up, trigger the sell limit level, and then come back down. Okay, so it might be quite complicated for a beginner, right? But it has its importance. Okay, so in addition to those, MT5 also have probably some additional tools that MT4 might not necessarily offer. You can follow also key economic events, market events, without leaving the MT4 platform. So for traders who want access to multiple markets beyond Forex, MT5 is an excellent option since it supports trading in stocks and commodities as well. Next, we have the TradingView. All right, the TradingView platform is a web-based platform. Now you can actually decide to access TradingView directly on your browser, Okay, you can actually decide to access TradingView directly on your browser, or you can install the web-based application. All right, the web-based application. Well, whichever one you choose, whichever one you decide to use, TradingView has gained huge popularity thanks to its powerful charting tools and its clean design. Traders can share their strategies, follow others, and even create or use custom indicators, with TradingView. So if you are someone who values community-driven insights and top-notch charting, um, TradingView is an unbeatable choice. Okay. Now, another strong platform to consider is cTrader. All right. cTrader is sleek, modern, and built for professional grade trading. Okay, it offers depth of market features. All right, and it offers excellent execution, strong support for algorithmic strategies, and it's actually great. Yeah, it's actually a great platform. Okay, offers many traders who use ECM brokers, the ability to enjoy several features. All right. So there are many traders out there who might prefer cTrader because of its transparency in pricing and advanced other features. It feels different compared to MetaTrader platforms, but for many traders, it's exactly the edge that they need. All right. So, which is the best day trading platform? The truth is, it depends on your needs. All right. If you want reliability and simplicity, MT4 could be perfect, right? If you're looking for more advanced tools and multi asset trading, MT5 is the logical upgrade. If you want cutting edge charts and social features, TradingView is your platform. And if you want advanced execution and transparency, cTrader stands out. All right. Many traders even combine platforms, analyzing charts on TradingView, and placing trades. You can do your analysis on TradingView and then proceed to, place your trades maybe on MT4 or MT5. All right. For example. So the key is finding the setup that makes your trading more efficient and comfortable. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We share regular content on day trading platforms, strategies and tips to help you stay ahead in the market. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.